Hi everyone, this is lesson 5. It will be different to all the lessons so far we have done. We are going to be drawing a folding picture and it's going to be a shark that's biting. You will need a bigger paper size, which will be A4. And my sister will be following me. Let's get started.
Okay.
First, we're going to draw in your center of your paper, the two sides, you want to draw two lines that are from the outside that are parallel. Next, you want to connect the top lines by doing a curve, not halfway, a bit less than that. And same thing to the other side, and make it go in a bit more. And to connect it, use a triangle. Now, you want to connect the bottom by doing a slight curve.
No, I have to rub this out.
Now we're going to do the curves, and you want to draw a triangle that's curved to both sides. And you want to connect them with a curve that goes through the fins. Now we're going to draw a shaded line around the top and the bottom from where we connected them, but you want to add a bit of extra shaded. And we're going to draw a square inside what we have done. Inside the section. And we want to connect them with lines. Now, to do the eyes, we're going to draw a big circle and then draw a small circle on the top right and colour in the big circle. If me and my sister ever go too fast, you can always pause the video. And do it, colour into both sides.
Is it like that?
And we want it to look scary, so we're not going to do two circles inside the eyes, which makes it look cute. And now we're going to draw two tiny circles for its nostrils and colour them in. Now we're just going to draw some zigzags for its teeth, and you want them to be really sharp. And then your next layer wants to be matching, so if he was biting, they would match and he wouldn't let the points touch each other. Or she. If you want it to be a girl, you could do some eyelashes.
Or eyelashes.
Now, we're going to draw a little U and draw a circle halfway draw 2 bumps that go up.
Done. That's to be.
And then you want to draw a curve and draw a line in the middle for its tongue. Now, just go through everything that you've coloured in and make it blacker. Now, we're going to get colouring. We need the colours black, dark blue, yellow, red, and silver. But we might want to change the colour yellow to a different colour if you want. First, we're going to use the pink and colour the tongue in. Next, we're going to colour in under the 2 lines with our silver or grey. Now, once you've finished, you're going to colour the top part in. Once you've finished, you're going to use your black and colour in what's near the tongue. Inside. Yeah. We're going to leave the U plain colour for now. Now everything inside the square we're going to colour in red. Okay. Now once you finish, you're going to use your blue, do 3 little circles on the left side of your shark, and then do 2 on your right side, and then use your yellow to make a little fish, which is going to be an oval, and connect a triangle to it, and use your black and do a little spot for the eye, and do the same thing for another fish. And for this fish, you can do 3 bubbles if you want. We finished colouring. This is what it's supposed to turn up like. Now we're going to fold it to make it a folding shark. First, we're going to fold it in half so we don't see our shark. Then we're going to take the corners and take them back to the middle, just like that. And you're going to do that to the other side too. So the teeth don't show. This is how it's supposed to turn. This is how it's supposed to turn up like, so it can bite. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe. This is my sister's picture.
There's accent from inside.
And this is mine.